Where do you keep them? Is cooking oil? Is Hall from metal detecting in Australia? Is dark crystal pie? Is sheriff's resignation letter after refusing to reopen an unsafe jail? Banksy's girl with balloon shredding itself after selling at auction for $1 million. Is a panoramic picture of the Eiffel Tower? This look at an empty 787. This owl with slender legs. This baby born weighing 268 grams 9.45 oz that became the smallest child born to live. This photo of water ice on Mars. This climbing cactus. This design for a college dorm with some privacy. These coins that saved a soldier's life in WWI. These whale vertebrae lying on a lake bed.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.